Welcome to Vital Records, the monthly genealogy tip series. My name is Valerie, and I'm a library associate at the Hamilton Mill branch of the Gwinnett County Public Library. I'm an experienced genealogist excited to explore genealogy resources with you today. Hi, this month I want to talk about an amazing genealogy resource that hopefully all genealogists are familiar with, but if you're not yet, you're about to be. Are you familiar with Family Search? It's both an online and in-person genealogy resource run by the Mormon Church, but you don't need to be a member of the religion to access these resources. They have more than 5 billion resources available, both online on their website at familysearch.org and in person at their library in Utah and their family history centers that are located inside of their churches. They also have a wonderful resource called Family Search Wiki that's a great way to find out what resources are available both through them and through other repositories, or if they don't even exist at all. So let's take a look. The Gwinnett County Public Library recently became a Family Search affiliate library. This means that when you access this website on our computers or using our Wi-Fi, you have access to additional resources. I'll highlight how this comes into play in a little bit, but first, let's get started with a basic search. Get started exploring Family Search at familysearch.org/search and just type in a little bit of information about one of the ancestors that you're interested in researching. Once your initial results come up, add additional information about your ancestor or use the filters to narrow down your results. Keep in mind that you won't find everything you're looking for about your ancestor in one search. Be prepared to change things up, adding and subtracting information and searching multiple times. One great filter on Family Search is the Collections filter. Once you start getting in your results, you can narrow down which databases that you want to search in. So for example, although I've told it only South Carolina, I'm getting results from a lot of different states. So I can go in and say, hey, these are the databases I want to specifically search in. Once I find a record that interests me, I have a few options for moving forward. I can look at the record details, just go ahead and look at the original image, or it might be attached to a family tree already, and I can check it out there. For now, let's start with the record detail. This page provides us access to the original record, as well as all the information from the original record transcribed. On the right-hand side, you'll also see a link to the family tree that it's attached to. We'll talk a little bit more about the Family Search family tree in a minute. By clicking on the original document image, we'll be taken to a page where we can view the record image in detail. We can zoom in, zoom out, and download the image as well. We can also add the image to our source box, which is like a little bookmark for later. Starting back at the record detail page, let's talk about the Family Search family tree. This record has been attached to an individual in the Family Search family tree. Let's click through and look at this individual. The unique thing about Family Search is that users don't have individual family trees, but that everyone in the world works on one giant family tree. So if this John Armstrong is your ancestor, all of his other descendants will work together to edit and build this single profile on this one family tree. It's very important to remember that you can't trust everything that's on the internet. As always, use online family trees as hints and resources, but make sure that you research these individuals as well and follow up to make sure the information is accurate. At the top of the page, you'll see the button for Sources. Here you'll find the various records available on Family Search that have been attached to this profile. Because there's only one family tree, there's only one individual to attach these records to, so you should, hypothetically, be able to find all the research that's been done on an individual in one place. This can be very convenient when it's accurate. Click through on each record and do your own research. Moving beyond the standard search, I want to highlight my favorite way of doing genealogy research on Family Search, which is through the catalog. Click on Search and then Catalog. You'll find yourself on a new search screen. You can search by place, surname, titles of collections, titles of books, authors, subjects. My favorite is to start by searching for a particular place. Now you can see every record that Family Search has that's related to a particular location. For example, if you want to look for your ancestors' land or property records in a particular location, you can see all those databases in one place. However, you might see something strange in your results. There's a little key on top of that camera, and when you try to open the image, you get an error message. You need to view these records at a Family Search Center or affiliate library. Luckily for Gwinnett County residents, the Gwinnett County Public Library is an affiliate library. Replicate your search when you're on our Wi-Fi or using one of our computers, and you'll find that those images are available to view. Although the vast majority of images in the Family Search catalog are unlocked and viewable from home, keep us in mind if you do happen to come across that little key. Another very important resource available to genealogists from Family Search is the Family Search Wiki. Similar to Wikipedia, this is a sort of online encyclopedia that can be edited by anyone. And of course, the focus here is genealogy. So type in a particular type of record or location, or really just anything that you're interested in researching, and you'll be provided with a list of various genealogy resources. For example, this location search of Gwinnett County tells all about the records that are available or not available. Use the menu on the left to jump to a particular topic, or scroll and browse the page to see what different types of information available. Keep in mind that although this is a great resource, it cannot possibly have every piece of information you might be looking for. Perhaps as you're browsing, you'll see a resource that's missing. Maybe you can edit the page and add it yourself. When you see a resource that looks like it might be helpful to your research, simply click on the link and you'll be taken directly to the database. Databases are linked from all over the internet, from major sites such as Ancestry and Family Search itself, to state-specific libraries or archives, or small individual websites that focus on a specific topic or location. So if you're having trouble breaking down that genealogy brick wall, or just getting started with your genealogy research, make sure to check out the Family Search Wiki as an invaluable resource. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about accessing the resources we discussed today, visit your local Gwinnett County Public Library branch or contact the Customer Contact Center for assistance. Also, you can set up a Book a Librarian appointment for one-on-one genealogy research assistance. Check back again next month for the next edition of Vital Records, your monthly genealogy tip series.